Hi everyone, this is Anna Maria Millet from Anna Maria Millet's YouTube channel. If you know anything about my YouTube channel, it's all about being a working mom and really doing things with my kids. They're fun and some really nice, easy recipes that you can do at home. Weeknight cooking that are delicious, just like a restaurant, but won't take up a ton of time. Tonight I'm making a nice chicken Saltinbocca. And you probably get this in the restaurant when you go out. I'm gonna make a really easy version of it here at home. I got these really nice thin chicken cutlets at the supermarket. And what I'm gonna do is coat them in this nice flour mixture. And in the flour, I just seasoned it with a little salt and pepper. And then what I'm going to do is take a slice of prosciutto, and I'm going to wrap this with a little bit of sage, and I'm going to brown them in the pan. So here it goes. Got 2 pieces in right now. I coated them with the flour that was seasoned with salt and pepper, and I have my prosciutto and a little bit of sage right on top. And once they cook on the bottom, I'm going to flip them over and cook them on the other side. And then I'll do a couple more pieces. Smells so good in here. I just flip them over on the other side. Oh, add a little more olive oil. I'm using this really nice Bono Sicilian extra olive oil, and these will be come off the flame in a minute or two. Just a few minutes on each side, depending on the thickness. So it's really awesome. Slices in. 2 more to go, and I'm going to cook up my spinach and make my sauce, and we're going to be good to go. Another 15 minutes and this dish will be done. So now we've actually cooked up all our chicken. I added just a touch more butter and a little bit of garlic, and I'm going to put a quarter cup to half a cup of wine. I'm using this Chardonnay. Just to deglaze. We have just a touch more. I'm going to deglaze this pan a bit. Get all this really nice stuff on the bottom. Then I'm going to add a little bit of flour just to thicken this up a little bit. And make sure this gets stirred in. Stirred well. And this is going to definitely thicken sauce. Thickening. We're going to add a touch of lemon juice. And a touch of cream. This is just heavy cream. I'm going to use the rest up tomorrow. I'm gonna add some of my spinach, and it's just frozen spinach I'm using. I defrosted it in the microwave, and I'm just gonna cook up in here. So this will cook for about 10 minutes. I might add just a little. Some nice sauce. And at the end, I'll put all my chicken back in. And it's gonna be some great chicken with a nice creamy sauce right on top. Spinach in, and I'm seasoning all of this for a bit. Just want to make sure it's not bland. Nice. Whoa, this is nice. I'm gonna put it on lower flame. Just let it all simmer together for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll put the chicken back in, and it'll be perfect and ready to go. Wow. Here it is. Look at this. Oh, awesome. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of these wonderful recipes, easy weeknight meals. This one took all of 25-30 minutes and delicious, restaurant quality. Don't forget, like and subscribe so I can continue to make more content. It really motivates me. I'm still gonna do it, but it really does motivate me if you like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.